So it's been snowing for about like 10 minutes and the power's out. Thanks, Edison, you suck. But I have a couple batteries left for my camera, and I just got a new GoPro, so I figured I might make a video of me going around in the snow and trying to get photos. Could be fun. Got a Hero 9 and some batteries, so if they have juice, we'll be making this video. Screw. Come on. And the Hero 9, which is huge. I know it's only a little bit bigger than the Hero 8, but it feels substantially larger. Cool, that was my unboxing. Ooh, we have 4% battery. Okay, so I found a battery charger, and I'm gonna plug in the GoPro, see if I can get that going. When that's done charging, I'll head out. Don't expect anything amazing audio-wise out of the GoPro, but I do want to test it out, because if I can shoot like this with this minimal of a setup, here I'll show you. This is what I'm using. Then that's fantastic. But if I need to use a lavalier, I want to know. So basically this video is going to be me taking pictures with the photo camera, recording my process with this GoPro, seeing how it works out. I don't expect any insanely good pictures, but I really just want to test this whole unit. So I'm really hoping that the audio doesn't get messed up by the snowfall or any wetness. But let's test out the setup. For a minute there when I left, I thought I was too bundled, too many clothings. Absolutely not, it is freezing. It is so wet in here. Lake looks really nice. It is raining so hard on me under this tree. I love exploring around my little town. It's nice seeing, like, I didn't even know this road existed. It's nice seeing stuff, you know? Walking through somewhere really gets you to familiarize yourself with it, especially if it's in different weather conditions. You just, I don't know, you see it differently.
Bigger groups?
Yeah.
So...
They were like, you can live in this place.
I couldn't find any rentals up here.
Oh, wow.
So that's where I had to go.
Dang.
It was crazy.
That's wild.
They bought the house and they didn't want me to move.
Dang it, I don't know if the GoPro missed it, but literally the like last second of my walk, I met some lady named Becky and took her photo, so that's that. Yeah, I have no idea how this turned out. I think it's a pretty fun setup. I might have to add different audio, but we will see. All right, see ya.